The Lofree block98 is a wireless mechanical keyboard that artfully blends retro aesthetics with modern functionality, catering to users who appreciate both style and performance. Design and build quality. Inspired by vintage keyboards, the Lofree block98 features a minimalist design with a neutral gray and white color scheme. The die-sublimated PBT keycaps offer a matte texture, providing a comfortable typing experience. Typing experience. Equipped with TTC linear switches, the Lofree block98 delivers a soft and light typing feel, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The keyboard produces a satisfying yet subdued click sound, making it suitable for office environments. Battery life. The keyboard houses a 2000 mAh battery, providing up to 10 hours of use with the LED lights on and up to 80 hours with them off. Given its size, some users might expect a larger battery capacity. Customization and ergonomics. While the Lofree block98 is hot swappable, allowing for switch customization without soldering, it does not include keycap or switch removal tools in the package. Overall, the Lofree block98 stands out for its unique blend of retro-inspired design and modern functionality. While it excels in providing a satisfying typing experience and versatile connectivity, potential buyers should consider its battery life and customization limitations relative to its price. Thank you so much.